Coach Marcel Gayle of Waterhouse, a very competitive game here, taking the lead 1-0, conceding and equalizing, losing the 3 points you'd have wanted. Tell us about the game, please.
I think good effort from my guys. We tactically we were good. We give up I think two chances there. First half the closing minute when Atkinson hit the cross ball and then goal. I think we're good for most part. I just we lack concentration there, and I think we're working on ensuring we know we'll get better, but tough out there for the guys to thought they equip themselves. I thought they can that.
And as you talk about equip themselves, we see that we really had a young, inexperienced 4 defender and a goalkeeper, but probably it was good for you to see what these people could have done for you.
That's what young players entail. You're gonna get some good things, and sometimes that happen to it. It's happening. Just as a game, it's still a learning curve. We're still getting better. We're still playing good. We're much better in the last 6 weeks. Can I say? We're linking up play in the midfield part. We're finding juggling. The outside players are giving us week. It's a matter of time for it.
And as you said, the last 6 weeks have been bad for you, but looking forward, we have gone 2 games out of 13, 11 games. How you look at yourself going for this 11 games and at least making top 6 and then probably to compete for that?
For now, it's points, and we take it a game at a time. We play every opponent, and we prepare weekly, and we have a end product, but we take that team at a time and we see how
Couple much more coach at the lead and not able to hold on the 3 points. Tough, especially now that they really needed these 3 points.
I don't know about couple matches, but the last game we played, we get 1-0. Game before that, we get 1-0. Something the area which can be improved, in the area that we can definitely work on. A little bit earlier, we have some young players, fresh. They would learn and they equip themselves, this is good for the future.
Coach, a question to ask. We see your number 1 goalkeeper first time been out. You have conceded that some actually had goalkeeping error. Looking ahead, is it that you probably hope or expect him to coming back early and give you that much more confidence coming from the back and need experience as the captain to help you?
Look at disappointment and setback as a way to go forward. Young Bernard can be close today. We have some other goalkeepers, catchers, what opportunity. That's how we can say wish them all the best. I'll say well come back close.
Just for information, we hear you having a rescheduled game in this week. You probably want to tell us information at the subject that I'm here, not sure.
Yeah, we're playing racing Thursday or 2:30 here. The next been consistent. We have the last thing about 7 to 8 games. We are keen in Poland.
Yeah, of course, the mental racing, they are the one that are on your heels basically. How you view that game, how important for you to knock them off their heels and kind of their ground and
I've always prepared to win every single game. I know sometimes the result, you don't prepare for the result. But nevertheless, this is a good team. They're on transition. Likewise, we are getting better. So I say we're going to
All right, coach. You know that Waterhouse have a very demanding fan base. Do you personally feel any added pressure if you don't make the top 6?
Pressure is the game. It's a result-driven game. And definitely when you're not winning, naturally pressure will come. But the pressure when I put on myself, I think it's more greater than even the manage. What the game in time. So yes, there's pressure, but we have to rise above.
Coach, what will your message be to the players after this result?
As I said to them again, it's a tough one. We know that Cavalier is a very good team. We expect that from them. I thought we equipped ourselves well. We executed. We get our chances. The concentration in the back we can fix. So it's very encouraging. It's very pleasing going forward.